Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Tom Messner.
You know what my idea of torture is? You know, you're sitting here in the Weather Center, right here at the TV station, and you're looking at webcams like this throughout the day. Stowe looking beautiful, looked like the skiing was wonderful a little bit earlier. 39 degrees there, so there has been some melting. The wind is doing a bunch of nothing. I think that is going to be a different story come tomorrow. Temperatures a little bit warmer for some. It's 49 right now, Burlington, 47 in Plattsburgh, doing a 47 in St. Johnsbury, 47 very popular down to the south. Look at that, from Middlebury to Keene and kind of everywhere in between. Next 12 hours, it is not going to be as cold as it was last night or the night before, for that matter. Temperatures bottoming out mid-30s or so by the beginning of tomorrow, so no real worries there. The clouds continuing to thicken up out there. We're watching a couple of things going on here. Remember that storm we were talking about this, say, 24 hours ago during yesterday's 6 o'clock news? This thing right here, this is going to come up the coast, but it looks like it's going to stay far enough offshore where we're not going to catch a bunch of moisture from this thing. We also have a cold front back to the west. This thing is going to go through, and with this area of low pressure and the front coming through with a high behind it, that pressure gradient is going to be pretty wicked, and because of that, it is going to get windy around here. Let me give you an example. We're looking at futurecast wind gusts here. First thing tomorrow morning, not bad yet because the cold front has not come through. We've got the area of low pressure that is on its way out. But by lunchtime, starting to pick up in northern New York, take you through the afternoon. Look at the difference here. Northern New York looking at gusts over 40 miles an hour already. Same kind of thing in the Connecticut River Valley. Then a little bit later at night, I think the wind picking up even more by, say, 11:30. Look at this. It's going to be windy out there tomorrow night. Into the beginning of Thursday, still pretty darn gusty, but then the wind's pulling back throughout the day. So for tomorrow, yes, it gets very windy by the time we do get into the afternoon. We've got a mix of sun and clouds and those wind gusts maybe to 50 miles an hour along the eastern facing slopes of the Green Mountains in the Adirondacks. So here's Futurecast. 8:30 tonight, we've got some clouds around, take you through the overnight, and here comes your tomorrow. That system staying off the coast, but note what happens here. Yeah, we've got some sunshine, front goes through, wind is picking up, everything is disturbed, and with that, we're looking at the chance for a few scattered rain showers or even mountain snow showers. Still windy into nighttime, beginning of Thursday. And by the way, Thursday is going to be a good looking day, decent amount of sunshine, in fact, mostly sunny, but it's going to be a lot cooler back behind that cold front. So the forecast for tonight, it is going to be cloudy, not as cold. Low temperatures in the 20s, also the 30s, like mid-30s in the Champlain Valley. Then for tomorrow, windy with scattered afternoon showers and rain in the valleys and maybe some snow up in the mountains. Thinking highs in the 50s for many of us, a little bit cooler in northern New York where the cold air is going to settle in a little bit earlier off to the west. All right, 53. Again, hang on to your hats tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. By Thursday, just 41 degrees. I think the windiest part of the day is going to be the first half of the day. So rain showers possible later Friday, 48, 53, some morning showers on Saturday. Sunday looks to be a pretty nice day, up near 60 that day, along with Monday, where I think we'll find rain showers even into Tuesday, some scattered showers Wednesday as well. But I think the thing that's notable, look at this Saturday through next Wednesday, guys. We're thinking temperatures 50 or better.